Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7542. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating. Your second row of seats are heated seats. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, and they are stow-and-go seats, so they'll fold flat into the floor to give you more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.